All right. We got a question how to have multiple charts on TOS. So right now we are on just one chart, right? It is very easy. All you have to do is click this box on the top right corner. You click and you can add as many charts as possible. So let's say I want to have four, I can just put four. If I want to have six, I can put six. So let's just click that and you can look, you can have four charts at once. And let's say you want to have this exact study. Well, all you have to do is save your set. So we have to save this whole set. And then what you can do is, let's say if you go on Apple, you can go on studies, load study set. I have a lot of them, but let's say I want to use this Twitter Discord one. All you can see is right there. Now they all come back. That's it. Pretty simple.